Okay guys, today I'm going to do unboxing for the microphone BOYA by By-m1 3.5mm wire. I bought this at around 781. So this is the microphone that we have. It is a wired microphone, not a shotgun microphone. BOYA by M1 lavalier microphone, micro cravette BOYA. Yeah, BOYA M1. We have a warranty card for the BOYA M1. It is a 1-year warranty, some booklet, and then we have some sticker. It comes in a pouch. Okay. Here we have the microphone. It comes with a clip, and then on for smartphone, camera. Okay. And then this is the microphone. And then we have a 3.5mm jack, and the grip is good. The grip is quite long. And so this is the main condenser. Okay. What else do we have in the box? Okay. What do we have here? This is the mic. I want to show you this one. It will come in inside this one. Okay. Okay. I think this is the best way. We have a battery. And what else do we have here? A jack for amplifier, and then we have another clip, wire clip. Okay. We also have a jack, as well as a battery, and then this is the main mic. Now I'm going to record using this one, and then you can check the sound quality for yourself. Okay guys, what you are hearing is through the mic of BOYA M1. This is the mic going to read out this paragraph. Okay, you can check is the sound quality up to your mark. You can come up to your own conclusion whether the sound quality of the mic is up to your expectation or not. Okay. All political parties must be mindful of the core value that invigorate Indian democracy. At the countdown of election to the 17th Lok Sabha begins, the world's largest democracy has a chance to reimagine itself. Over the last 16 general election and numerous elections at lower level, the resolute trust that the Okay, and let me still continue here. Vulnerability of Indian democracy have been pronounced in the last 5 years, and some of its long-term gain have been undermined. Therefore, this election is more than an exercise to elect a new government. This should also be an occasion to reiterate and reinforce Indian democracy core value, its representative characters, and its promise of a constant rejuvenation of the collective spirit. The ACI has announced a series of fresh measures to strengthen the integrity of the electoral process and curb some rapidly growing hazards, such as the spread of falsehood aimed at creating social polarizations for consolidations of vote. Measurement of such as a better monitor of social media campaign, while steps in the right directions, are not in themselves adequate to deal with the challenges of this time. The stakes are high for all contenders this year, and Indian politics has reached a level of competitiveness where ground rules of engagements are routinely disregarded. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who rose to power in 2014 on the agenda of material progress through Hindutva, has to define his reign to seek a second term. His opponents sense an existential danger from him and are trying to mobilize those left behind or who feel disempowered by his governance. While furthering individual interests, all the parties raise the democracy itself at the stock of campaign is aimed at a communal polarization. Though the promise of Indian democracy has not been fully realized, voters have remained committed to it. They turn up in large number to vote and consider the very act of voting as empowerment. The trust should be upheld. Okay, with this, we finish our review. You can come up with your own conclusion. While I was reading the paragraph, I clip it with my shirt, but now I'm holding close to my mouth, and then you can judge based on that also. Okay, with this, we'll end with the review of this microphone. Thank you, one and all.